Jason the Sniper with Rebel Kid, my brother, and Rebel Kid's brother.
I want to see a Rebel Kid.
I'm Rebel.
So we're going back on a trip. I'm letting Rebel Kid use my phone because it broke like 3 times.
Hold your phone for a minute.
So we'll be right back. There.
I'm pressing the unpause button.
I pressed it. You had to push it down hard. Wait, is it paused? Let's see. My phone broken? No. Alright guys, we're back. Alex is still trying to...
I'm gonna have one.
You got it, dude.
Yes, I do.
Push it.
Make sure you give it to
That's
me.
what she said.
You're weird, dude. You're just weird.
And it's in. Just gotta slide it down a little more.
Is it tight? Push it forward, see if it's good.
It's nice and tight. You can still get it out.
Alex is vlogging, and I'll be right next to him or in front of him.
Most likely behind. Alright, let's go back to Maze.
Come on.
Is Aiden coming with?
Yes, it has to. Twiddle these. Alright, Maze, follow. What do you do? He's going the wrong way. No, I said let's go back to Maze. I had to turn around. What, he went in the street? No, we're not seeing it. Anthony and Tyler are awake because they'll send my brother home. And then I'll get in even more trouble. Let's go, Aiden. Well then, let's go, Twiddledee. It's Rebel Kid, not Rebel Hat.